I'm Kara with DoMyOwn.com. Today we're going to be discussing on how to identify small flying insects that may be found in the home other than your common housefly. The key to flying insect control is to identify the source of where the infestation is coming from, but also getting a positive ID of the flying insect, as your treatment method is going to be based on the positive ID. The most common small flying insects are going to be drain flies, fruit flies, and fungus gnats. Today we're going to discuss on how to identify them and what the best treatment options are for those particular insects. Drain flies are going to be one of those small flying insects that are going to seemingly just pop up overnight. These flies are going to breed in areas such as your sink drains, shower drains, floor drains, or any areas in the home where organic matter can build up. Drain flies are normally dark gray to black in color and only measuring 1/5 to 1/6 of an inch in length. Drain flies have 6 legs, fuzzy wings, antennae, and they appear to be tiny moths when viewed up close. Our drain fly kit would be recommended to treat drain flies in the home. Our drain fly kit is going to come with a drain gel to treat the drains individually, a contact spray aerosol, and also monitoring glue boards to help monitor your infestation. Please check out our drain fly treatment guide for more information on an in-depth treatment for treating drain flies in your home. Fruit flies are another small common flying insect that are found in homes and often confused with drain flies. Fruit flies, however, only measure to be about 1/8 of an inch long and are red in color. Fruit fly numbers tend to be greatest in late summer and early fall during harvest season. Fruit flies hover around and thrive near drains, garbage receptacles, fresh and rotting produce, and moist organic material that gathers under fridges and poorly cleaned areas. You want to be sure you keep an eye on your shopping bags. They can come into your home through fruits and veggies you buy from the grocery store. Fruit flies are going to be best treated with an aerosol space spray, fly lights, and fruit fly traps in areas around the home or establishment where you're seeing fruit fly activity. For more information, please view our fruit fly treatment guide for more tips and recommendations on an effective treatment. The next small flying insect we're going to talk about is fungus gnats. While fungus gnats typically originate outdoors in oversaturated soils, overgrown landscape beds, and shaded areas, they can work their way indoors through transplanting soil or even overwatered houseplants. Fungus gnats are dark gray to black, have long legs, and a humpback shape. They are tiny in size, only measuring 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch long, almost the same size as a fruit fly. They have one set of gray-colored wings and tiny antennae resembling small mosquitoes when examined up close. When inspecting soils for signs of fungus gnat larvae is going to resemble small white or cream-colored worms with black heads. One of the best ways to treat for fungus gnats in the home is to use a contact kill aerosol for a quick knockdown, and then using insect monitoring glue boards to help monitor the infestation and also help control the population. You can also use a systemic insecticide on houseplants that are listed for systemic applications, but also to landscape ornamentals and soils outside the home. You can treat houseplants with neem oil for a foliar application to help knock down fungus gnats inside the home. A good prevention method for fungus gnat control is to be sure that you're always using sterile potting material and letting the soil dry out completely to eliminate any moisture or damp material where fungus gnat larvae can breed. In addition to the treatment methods listed for each of these insects, additional options such as the use of fly lights, glue boards, and an insect growth regulator can help with your treatment process. The use of an IGR, or insect growth regulator, is going to be needed for full control. An insect growth regulator stops the smaller stages or juvenile stages of the listed insect, per the product label, from being able to mature into adults. Using fly lights or glue boards indoors will not only help catch the insect, but will help monitor and help you identify what type of flying insect you're treating. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And please don't hesitate to reach out to DoMyOwn.com for any questions you may have. We're happy to help.